I spent $75.
Lamar Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamar Wilson here, back for another video. And listen, I know, PlayStation. I ain't talking about PlayStation in 15 years. I'm lying. But still, we're here. We're here, and I need a beer. I don't drink. I think I was drinking when I bought this. Okay, so you heard about the DualShock 4 back button attachment, right? You know, people's done some videos about it, but then it was like we couldn't find it anywhere. Like the sale was crazy, like when they first came out. So couldn't find it anywhere. So I went on eBay and I was like, well, there's one available there, and so this is normally $25. But like I had to get it for a video, so I spent $75. $75 on this stupid attachment. It might be cool, I don't know, but like, wait, yeah, this is supposed to go in the back of your play. Oh, that is, we got some saturation going on here. My bad. Yeah, it's supposed to go in the back of the PlayStation controller, and then like the Xbox Elite controller, you have flappers, or like a SCUF. You have the little flappers, and you can program the buttons. And so if you don't want to use like R1, L1 because it's too far up like this, you can just have them here. So we're gonna do an unboxing right here. You want to see. Important. Read first. I ain't read nothing. That's it. Okay. Well, hold on. There's something in here that it's probably like some kind of other one. Okay, just a basic manual. Ain't nobody got time to be reading that. I really should have looked at this thing though, because this does tell you how to put it on. Turn off your controller before attaching the product. Okay, this is your proper connection. Okay, so hold the back button with your, and then okay, so we're gonna do exactly what they said, but not exactly. So let's just see, make sure I got the real thing. Okay, this looks real. I hope this is real. So that's the way it's supposed to look. Now this is an OLED screen, so I'll show you. It's gonna light up, and when you put it, and then that's the connector. It looks like a jack, like a. Oh, it is. It's the okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's the jack that for hearing stuff. And what is that called? Headphone jack. The headphone jack. Okay, so I'm gonna do what they say. They say turn off your controller. Wait, how do I turn off the controller without turning everything off? So here, we're gonna put this. We're gonna stick it in. This looks weird. Okay. Oh, okay. So you stick it in that way. So, wait. Get. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Okay. Like that looks good. Okay. If my controller is oversaturated, I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was. I don't know why it's acting like that on a green screen. But and then that's the back so far. We're gonna turn on. But these I can feel already. Oh. So I will use my middle finger. Well, I use it for other things. But like, yeah, no, that feels good. That feels really good. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the controller. Okay. Oh, you see it. Okay, so hi. Wait. Oh, is it because I clicked this? Yeah. Oh, so they by default start working. Oh, so this is the back button, and this is the forward. Oh, it's already working. Wow. Okay. All right. So I press the button. Okay. So this. All right. So I see it. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button again so you can see. So this is X, and this is O right here. I got it. But you can program them to be different. I want to figure out how to do that. Okay, there you go. So I can choose. Oh, I'm choosing. Okay, I said I was going to do R1, right? And then on this one, I'm going to do, what is it? L1. Okay, hold on. You see? R1, if you this dust don't get off of here. All right, so then I'm going to press it again to confirm. All right, so this is L1, and this is R1. I actually don't know what I would use those for. What game would I use that for? How about we do L2, R2? Confirmed. That way we won't, like, I know you can't see it perfectly. And we'll confirm. So instead of using the triggers, I'm just gonna keep my hands down here and we'll use these as triggers. Oh. Okay. I like you. These may not be the ideal buttons to use. Like, I feel like my fingers are naturally, I would say, make these a pattern for like building. If you don't want to use the other, that's what I should have done. Should have put this for building because I can't build to save my life. So in hindsight, I'm like, should I have played solo? Because wait, what is this? Wait, you can hide in a box? I am Box King. Y'all got the idea. I hate solos. We're leaving this game. Yes! I passed it. I passed it. Okay, so boost is now, okay, so I'm back to, and also I have the jump button as the left trigger. Yeah, this is weird. I'm still trying to like get used to it though. Okay. Hold on. They probably like, what the heck is this man doing? Watch me get this in though. Oh, yes. Look at that. Yeah, I'm really MLG in this game. Like. Okay, so using the button. Ooh, okay, that was my own teammate. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know if this game is optimized for that. I think maybe a shooter would be better for these. But I tell you, these buttons feel really comfortable though. Like for 25 bucks, you get an elite controller basically. Okay, I do not know how to play. All right, I gotta say, for this being $25, it's really cool, and I like that you can change your buttons on the fly. With the Xbox one, you have to go into the menu to do that. And here, I didn't need to open up any menu in a according to the PS4, it probably doesn't even care that I have this. That's a really smart engineering, I gotta say. So screen on the controller can change the buttons on the fly for any game I don't want to play. I don't know. I think that's like actually really cool. And check this out. It even has a bypass for your headphones, so you can plug your headphones in, and then they'll work. And yeah, that's it. Cool. So don't do what I did. Don't get this for $75 like an idiot, just to do a video. Can y'all thumb up the video so I can get my money back? I just like y'all watch it, thumb it up. Other people can see it, and then I needed my money back. It was $50. I need $50 back. That's all I'm saying. But this is definitely worth $25. I'm surprised it's not $50. Sony, don't listen to that. Don't raise the price for people. But like, I'm digging this. So I'll put a link down there for the official PlayStation page so you can see about it. But like, don't go to eBay. Don't do what I did. I didn't think I was gonna like this. You can even do left and right. Instead of pressing here, you can literally make these left and right. I didn't even know. I didn't think about that. Oh, hold on. Because now I'm excited. So that's left and right here. I'll confirm by pressing that. And then this is left and right. That's, maybe use it for that. I like that. Okay. I'm gonna let y'all go, but, I'm digging it. That's a cool device. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.